Attention North Huron Wingham Fire, please respond to 721 Josephine Street North at the Braemar retirement for general fire alarm called in by an alarm company. No further information at this time. That's 721 Josephine Street North at Braemar retirement for a general fire alarm. The time of second page is 19:07:58. Attention North Huron Blyth 5, this is an information page and an information page only that Wingham is responding for a general fire alarm at Braemar retirement. The time of the information page is 19:08:18. Car, go ahead and just be advised you're very staticky.
Dispatch, car 3 acknowledges the page for Wingham Station.
Roger, car 3, you've acknowledged the page. It's 19:08:50.
Fire dispatch, engine 6.
Go ahead, engine 6.
Engine 6 responding. Car 3, Echo +4 belted.
Roger, engine 6, you're responding. Car 3, Echo +4 belted. It's 19:20:20.
Fire dispatch, you can show engine 1 responding. Charlie +2 belted.
Roger, engine 1, you're responding. Charlie +2 belted. It's 19:12:40.
Fire dispatch, you can show tank 9 responding. Foxtrot +4 belted.
Roger, tank 9, you're responding. Foxtrot +4 belted. It's 19:13:01.
North Huron tank 4 responding. Alpha +1.
Roger, tank 4, you're responding. Alpha +1. It's 19:13:39.
Fire dispatch, you can show engine 1 arriving on scene. Nothing showing. Charlie B command, the command will be mobile.
Roger, engine 1, you're on scene. Nothing showing. Charlie in command to immobile. It's 19:14:11.
Ladder 2, tank 4, when you arrive on scene, go to the north end of Josephine Street and approach that way, please. Fire dispatch, North Air Command.
Go ahead, command.
Been speaking with residents on scene. There is a fire alarm going off in the retirement building, the old retirement building on site. I have a crew entering to do an investigation.
Roger, command, there is a fire alarm going off in the retirement building. You have a crew entering for investigation. It's 19:18:44.
Full operates engine 1 here, ladder 2. Alpha, call command. There was a nurse on staff. She was going to figure out how to reset that alarm. She said she had to go over to the other building, though I'm not sure if she's made her way back yet or not. Roger that. Do you still have nothing showing in there? Roger that. Go ahead, Alpha, command. Roger that, Alpha. Nothing found on the first floor, proceeding to the basement. Fire dispatch, show engine 6 arriving scene.
Roger, engine 6, you're arriving on scene. Time is 9:23:08. 19:23:08.
Fire dispatch, North here, command.
Go ahead, command.
Show property owner on scene.
So we're listening here.
Roger, command. Property owner is on scene at 192711.
Go ahead, Alpha command. Roger that. Tank 9, you can downgrade to code 2.
Copy that. Tank 9 downgrading to code 2. Fire dispatch, you can show us arriving scene.
Roger, you're on scene 192743.
Alpha call command. Could you get that property owner to come out for a face-to-face? Fire dispatch, North here, command.
Go ahead, command.
360 of the structure done, nothing showing. In contact with the property owner. This is a fire alarm that is going off. I'll be sending 2 more crews in to check the attic and the adjoining basement to the retirement home as well.
Roger, command. 360 has been completed. Nothing showing. You're in contact with the property owner. There is a fire alarm going off. 2 more crews entering, going to the attic in the basement of the adjoining retirement home. It's 193345.
Go ahead, Echo command. Roger that, Echo. You can exit the building. Fire dispatch, North here, command.
Go ahead, command.
Dispatch crew has exited the structure that was in the basement with nothing found. Crew that was in the attic has also nothing found and has exited the building.
Go ahead.
Roger, command. Both crews from attic and basement have exited the building. Nothing found. 194313.
Fire dispatch, North here, command.
Go ahead, command.
All crews have exited the building. Nothing found.
Roger, command. All crews have exited the building. Nothing found. 200611.
Fire dispatch, North here, command.
Go ahead, command.
Upon further investigation, the alarm panel seems to be faulty. The building will be going offline. Staff on site will be doing a fire watch, checking the building every hour. Property is going to be turned back over to the property owner. Command's terminated and all units will be clearing the scene.
Roger, command. On further investigation, the alarm panel has been faulty. Both going offline. Staff is doing fire watch every hour tonight. The property has been turned over to the property area. All units are clear. It's 200908.